Statistics reported that
You see it in the headlines. Record manufacturing openings in the United States. There's never been a better time to create a better future for yourself and for others. Just like creators are doing at Pfizer in Andover, Massachusetts, where innovation, working with amazing colleagues, and trying new things make being a creator the ultimate team sport. These creators are building a culture of collaboration with the shared mission to change lives.
Teamwork is so important because you can't do it alone. There are so many aspects of creating product that goes to market and people take to save their lives.
Teamwork is probably the most important thing in this role because so much of the work that we do is people discussion based.
And I've seen what true teamwork means because it involves engineering, it involves supply chain, it involves operations, it involves quality. It's almost like an ensemble that you're trying to create an orchestra. Everybody needs to play the same tune at the right moment.
Having that type of relationship and communication with the people that you work with directly is really important in helping you stay on task and stay on track and make things happen.
Manufacturing is like a team sport. We have people who are designated to certain areas of the process, but in the end, you just have one common goal of making the product. And even if it's not technically your responsibility, you're helping your teammate out because you all want to win. You want to make a product that is great.
Being someone who works in manufacturing, you have a huge impact, not just on Pfizer, but on the world. You're making products that people need to survive.
As a manufacturing operator, I work on the floor and I do the daily operations to make a drug product. We make many different products at Pfizer, but at my specific area, you make DNA. DNA can be used for many different things. You can also use it for gene editing and gene therapy, which is even a broader group that we've ever had for drugs, where you can potentially cure something instead of just treating it.
This right now, as we speak, is the largest gene therapy plasmid manufacturing facility in the United States. So I'm very thrilled to be a part of this. Every single product that I've worked on, I know exactly how it impacts a patient. Looking back, my own family in India calls me up and says, hey, I had a Pfizer vaccine. I know I had a direct role in it. I know my team had a direct role in it. That is extremely close to my heart.
My role in supporting other functions is during the time that we were bringing in the manufacturing process for the vaccine here at this site, there was a manufacturing space that was being built at the same time. So the timeline was rather intense. That was unprecedented. I haven't seen that done here before. I'm just really inspired by everybody around me. They're very willing to step up to the task, even if it takes more than what they thought they could give.
2 years ago, we never thought that we would be making the vaccine here at Andover, but we are. So the thought is, what else? What else can we help with? We're making products that save people's lives, and what's not exciting about that?
As far as the future is concerned, what I'm most excited about are these new sciences that the company's developing. Having conversations directly with those scientists, that is something that I do while I'm working here, and just getting their perspective on how breakthrough or how efficient or how important or valuable this new treatment is going to be. It's something that excites me. I like to know what we can do to help treat things that may have never been treated before in the world.
This site, specifically Andover at Pfizer, makes many different products, and we're known as a multi-product facility. So we don't just make one thing. I'm driven to work in biotechnology and work towards creating therapies and different medicines that can create breakthroughs in healthcare and really change people's lives for the better.
When I look to the future, the things I'm excited about is potentially creating vaccines that could benefit children. Someone working in manufacturing can have a great impact on the lives of maybe a stranger, maybe somebody in your own family. I'm a mom, And I would love my kids or future kids to be protected from things that could cause harm to children.
The intention is there to put in the effort to make it work the right way. It takes a certain kind of a person to have that drive. There's a lot of things you have to set in place, and it's a very challenging environment. But when you get through the challenge, it's highly rewarding. What drives me every single day is the culture that exists at Pfizer. I'm deeply affected by it, deeply influenced by it. Whatever I am in Pfizer today is because of what others have contributed. I want to embrace this role because it gives an opportunity not only to produce drugs, life-saving drugs, but also it enhances other people's skills. And I owe it to them because somebody did it to me. And I'm trying as an operations people leader to bring that same effort to people I work with so that I can make them better.
Having a role in a manufacturing facility gave me a lot of room to grow, especially because there's so many new things that come to this site. You get to understand a lot of science and background and things that you may not have had background in yourself. That's given me the capability to be able to showcase what I've learned and apply it to whatever the next project is and whatever the next one is after that. And because of that, I've been able to take on increasing responsibility over time.
We embrace another person's success. We don't think that we could be in a better spot if only a few of them are successful, are good at what they do.
I became very involved with the Women's Resource Group at Pfizer Andover, and I helped re-energize it and get more people interested in it. And I have now a group of us that are creating different initiatives on sites. For example, we're starting up a mentoring program on site through the Women's Resource Group. It's been really great, and I'm very proud of how much we've accomplished in the past 2 years.
I have been able to grow immensely here at site from 10 years ago being a process scientist to now being the operations lead, manufacturing, is huge. I wouldn't have thought I'd be here 10 years ago, but the ability to grow at Pfizer is just amazing.
The manufacturing industry has a lot of opportunities. It's a very broad space. And what's exciting about that, especially working here with Pfizer, is that you can have the opportunity to learn what you're good at, even if you don't really know. And you may have people who mentor you or support you and want to help you apply what you're good at in developing those skills and really mastering those skills in the manufacturing space. That's the kind of experience I've had here.
I would suggest just trying it out and asking around about it, and don't be afraid to really get on the floor and work with your hands and get that experience. And you leave work feeling like I just worked, like I did something, I was productive today, I made a difference. For people looking at different industries, manufacturing is a great place to start in your career.
If you're looking for a career that makes a difference in people's lives, that's going to be challenging yet rewarding, enables you to work as a team, collaborate in a team, and come out the other end as a winner. Manufacturing is an exciting career for you to choose.
Discover how you can become a creator at connect.creatorswanted.org.